Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel please. So if you're new here to my channel, then don't just forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's just begin with today's video. Today's video is all about like first impression kind of a video. So I'm gonna give my first impression on all the products that Nykaa has came out with, and I have purchased two of their new products, and I have also got complimentary with the things that I have purchased, two complimentary brushes too, and one sponge and one brush. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try on the camera and just show to all you guys how it works on my face. So the first one that I have purchased is their stick foundation, and I have got on the shade 04 Warm Honey. So I'm just gonna read it all the back, whatever it's written over here. So it's Skin Genius Foundation Stick, a super long lasting waterproof foundation stick. Okay, it's waterproof, that provides high coverage in a smooth gliding weightless formula. Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick is enriched with broad spectrum SPF 15 for sun protection and vitamin E for brightening and nourishing your skin. The easy to use stick up foundation stick targets the delivers maximum coverage and blendability and expertly hide any signs of imperfection that gives a perfected complexion on the go. So it promises to do a lot of things. So let's just see how it really works on my skin and it's really keep all its promises or not. So yeah. So I have zoomed you all so that you can get a clear view of the foundation. So I have already moisturized my face. So I'm gonna start it with the foundation. I just really love this stick formulation. This is my first ever stick foundation that I have purchased. So I'm really excited to give this a try. So I will do one thing, that I have also got this sponge from Nykaa, and they have got 4 to 5 colors, and I have purchased the mint one. And so I will do one side, I will use this sponge. I have damped it with water, in water, and the other side I'm going to use a buffing brush so you can see how it works. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it on my face. I think I have got a bit darker to my skin tone. It feels so quite orangish to my skin, and that is why I just really afraid to purchase any kind of foundation, because it sometimes get darker, too darker, or it sometimes get too light to my according to my skin tone. So yeah, so let's just see I can work it or not, because it's really dark. Let's just see. So I'm gonna use the sponge on this side and the brush on this side. So I have already blended over here, and I will say I'm not quite sure it is full coverage or not. With one streak, it is not at all hidden up on my spot, and also it has taken a lot more time to blend it with it. I'm not happy to blend it with the sponge. So let's just see I can blend it with the buffing brush or not. Okay, so yeah, I have got the result that blending it with the buffing brush is a lot more easier as compared to the sponge, because with the sponge it takes a lot of time, and I will say it's not at all high coverage. As you can see, it has not at all hide all my spots, so I'm just gonna go with one more layer to see that it can hide all the spots or not. And I will say it's not at all gluey too. It's a kind of a matte on my skin. So yeah, I will say it's not at all gluey on my skin. I have already oily skin, but it has not at all made my skin glow, and it has made my skin look more flat and matte, and it has not at all covered all my skin. I will say it is buildable, but it is not at all full coverage one. And let's see how it lasts long. So let's see. And if you wanted to want to know how it lasts long and it's really waterproof or not, I'm gonna test it out. So to know about it, you just click the link in the description box, or just click it over here. You can get to know about it, how long it has last, and it's waterproof or not. Let's just see. And with this sponge, it not at all blend very easily. It's really hard to blend with this sponge. Even it's damp, that is also, I just can't blend it with it. It's really easy to blend with the buffing brush, and I think I have got a bit darker shade. So if I love it, because whatever it promises, it has done nothing till now. So let's see if I love it, then I'm definitely gonna purchase the lighter shade. But now I'm just gonna like put on some makeup, like do with all the bronzing and contouring. And I'm gonna try the Nykaa like just wink crazy in love wet and dry eyeshadow palette, and let's just see how it goes. So I have just put on some bronzer. I've not put a lot of bronzer because it's already orangish on my skin, the foundation, and a little bit of highlighter because it was really matte on my skin. It was looking really flat. So yeah, now I'm gonna try the eyeshadow. So first of all, I will just talk about the packaging. I just really love the packaging, guys. Nykaa really wink all their packaging, but product wise, I've loved their matte lipstick till date, and let's just see how it goes. So first of all, let's just swatch it and let's just see how it looks like, what are the pigmentation of this eyeshadow. And I have got on the shade Crazy in Love. Yeah, it's on the shade Crazy in Love. So yeah, again, great name, but I have just swatched it. I will say I am not quite happy with the pigmentation because it's two of the color are really pigmented, but the other one is kind of a satin finish and not so great on the pigmentation. So yeah, let's just see how it goes on my eyes. So for the eyes, I have got this one with it like a complimentary thing, this eyeshadow brush. I'm quite not sure how to use it, so I'm just gonna give it a try. So let's just see what I can take. Okay, got it. As you can see, I have already completed my makeup. I will just say it may come into my favorites only because for the pigmentation. It has not got a highly pigmented eyeshadows in it, but I just really love two colors from this, and these are these like taupey maroon color and this shimmery champagne color, and I just really love these two. And I know I'm gonna use these two color on like daily basis kind of a thing. And yeah, I think it's worth it, kind of not, because it's not at all pigmented. But here are 2 to 3 colors which is really like for daily use, which are really kind of a like daily use kind of a eyeshadow. So according to that, I just really love it. Also, it's really good packaging. And about this foundation, I really don't love this foundation, guys. Yeah, I just really don't love it because it's really orangish on my skin tone. I think I pick up the wrong shade for me. And also, as it says, it does a lot of work, and it does only one work, and that is it apply very easily. Otherwise, with only the buffing brush, not with the sponge. So otherwise, I will say I really don't love the foundation. So I hope that this video was helpful to all you guys to know about these new products that Nykaa has launched. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. And if you want to know more about these two products, like its longevity and also its longevity, like how much it just lasts for whole day long, and details about this product, then just click the link over here, and also in the description box, just go over in the description box, you can get to know more things about these things, and click the link and just read about it. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, you all stay beautiful, guys. Bye.